Hi Laura, this is your question. 7 over 6 plus 14 over 33. A couple of things that you need to do first is the denominator has to be the same. Obviously at the moment they're not. So we have to force them. The concept to force this here is the least common denominator, the smallest common denominator. In other words, how can we make a number that both are the same at the bottom without changing the rational numbers? This is a rational number, okay? These are the rational numbers. So we're adding two rational numbers. So the first thing we want to do is we want to use the concept of factoring into the primes. Prime numbers are this: 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, and so on and so on and so on, okay? They go to infinity. So 6 can be expressed as 2 times 3, there. 2 times 3. 33 can be expressed or rewritten as factors as 3 times 11. You can use the calculator to do this. Take 33, divide by 3, and you see that you get 3 times 11 is 33. So those are the factors. Here it tells me that this is already common, so you don't have to worry about those two. However, the number 2 is not here, or the number 11 is not here. So we have to give each one of them the same number. I am going to go to the next page, if you will. So here we go again. So 7 over 2 times 3, and then was a plus 14 over 3 times 11. So 3 times 11. So we say that this one here needs an 11, so you multiply an 11 at the bottom and also on the top. You have to do it that way, otherwise you change the value of it. Here you give the 2, but you do the same thing to the denominator and the numerator. Now you multiply all of it. So you will be 7 times 11 is 77. And that should be 2 times 3 is 6, 6 times 11 is 66. So the least common denominator is 66. That's the number that we were looking to make the denominator the same. So plus 28 over 66. Only when the denominators are the same, now you can actually add them up. So now you have 77 plus 28 all over 66. Now you write it only once. Why? Because it is the same. Both of them have the same denominator. Now it can be added. So you just focus on the numerator now. And of course the sum of that in the numerator should be 7 plus 8 should be 15. And 2 plus 7 is 9, plus 1 is 10. So it should be 105 over 66. And it seems like that should be the answer, and it should be given that way. So let me know if you, first of all, you understood it, and let me know if it helped. And maybe also if you need more, just let me know, and I'll send you another one, okay? Bye-bye.